Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find x and y. Solution: x plus y equal to 8. This is equation 1. This is x, y equal to 8x. This is equation 2. Now we are going to find equation 3 from equation 1, that is x equal to 8. We are moving this y right hand side, so minus y. This is equation 3. Now we are going to substitute this equation in equation 2. So equation 2 is xy equal to 8x. Substitute this the equation 3 here. So 8 minus y, this y equal to 8 times of 8 minus y. Now multiply this. 8 times of y is 8y, minus into plus is minus, y square equal to 8 times of 8 is 64 minus 8y. Now we are moving this right hand side, so we'll get 64 minus 8y plus y square. We are moving this 8y equal to 0. Now y square minus this and this is 16y plus 64 equal to 0. Now we are going to apply the quadratic equation here. Here we have a equal to 1, b equal to minus 16, c equal to 64. Now we are going to find y here. So y equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now minus 16 plus or minus square root of minus 16 square minus 4 times of 1 times of this is 64 by 2 times of 1. Now applying this here, y equal to minus 16 plus or minus square root of minus 16 square minus 4 times of 1 times of 64 by 2 times of 1. Now y, this minus into minus is plus 16 plus or minus square root of 16 square is plus 256 minus 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 64 is 256 by 2 times 1 is 2. Now 16 plus or minus square root of 256 minus 256 is 0 by this 2. Now 16, this is completely 0, so by 2. Now simplify this, we'll get 8 here. Now we have y equal to 8. Now we are going to apply this in the equation 1. Recall equation 1 is x plus y equal to 8. Y equal to 8. Apply this here. X plus 8 equal to 8. X equal to 8 minus, we have moved this right hand side, so minus 8. So x equal to 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we found that y equal to 8, x equal to 0. These are the answers. Now we are going to verify this with the equation 1. X plus y equal to 8. X is 0 plus y is 8 equal to 8. Now this is 8 equal to 8. So LHS equal to RHS. Now we are going to verify the same in other equation, that the other equation is x times y equal to 8x. Now we know that x is 0 and y is 8. Now we are going to apply this here. So 0 times of y is 8 equal to 8 times of x is 0. So this is 0 equal to 0. So LHS equal to RHS. Let's verify. So the final answer is x equal to 0, y equal to 8 for the equation x plus y equal to 8. X, y equal to 8x. Thanks for watching this video.